Hey, you guys, I'm back. Okay, so I got a special video for you guys today. I had someone call in last night. They were having some issues and they wanted to know, what do you do when life hits you? Okay, because I guess I don't know. Sometimes outside looking in, people might look at my world like everything is just smooth and everything is all good because a lot of times we YouTubers, you only see one side. You don't see both sides. And I'm here to tell you that it ain't all peaches and cream over here either. Like we go through our hard challenges. I don't like to say struggles. I hate the word struggles. I like to use words like challenges. Okay, so I just wanted to drop a video to enlighten you guys a little bit, open up your mind a little bit about what I do whenever life hits you, what you can do whenever life hits you, because it's going to come. Especially being a new business owner, you're going to go through so many trials and tribulations, all those challenging moments. Embrace them. Okay, that's number one. Embrace all those challenging moments. Okay, and remember that everything is figure outable. I hear people say, they might be experiencing death in the family. This is the COVID era that we live in. So a lot of people's family members are passing away. I get it. It's hard. This is life that's happening to you, when you're trying to work on your business. Sickness. You might not be able to have a babysitter. You might feel like you can't do walkthroughs because you got to work. I get it. This is life, that life thing that you have to go through. Okay. And it's hard, but I want you to realize that everything is figure outable. I know that's not a word, but it sounds like it should be. Okay. But you can figure almost anything out. If you don't have a ride to the location, Uber, or figure it out. Like, for me, I've always been a figure outable type of female. I've always been that way. Ever since I've been young, I will try to figure stuff out on my own. I just will figure it out. Now you have some people that they give up too easy. It was, well, I ain't got no ride, so bye. And it don't work like that. Not if you're trying to really be successful. You can't give up that easy. You have to be a figure outable type person. You have to be determined to figure stuff out. Okay, so take that into key. Figure things out. You know what I mean? Life is going to happen. You're not the only one that this stuff is happening to. It's happening to people all over the world. Okay, so you're just going through the hard part right now. But if you can figure it out, you'll soon get to where you're trying to be. Okay. The next thing I had on my list was appreciate what you already have. A lot of times you might cry for something like a brand new vehicle, and then 3 years later, listen, when the thrill is gone, the will is gone. So you're not even keeping the vehicle clean anymore. You're not even really taking it. You're not even taking it to go get your oil changes like you was. Like, in the beginning, you appreciate your vehicle. Okay, you used to do all those things, but now 3 years in, you don't even care no more, man. And now you're wondering why the vehicle is breaking down on you and stuff like that. Like, you're not taking care of your vehicle. So when the thrill is gone, the will is gone. Okay, so appreciate what you have, what you do have. And that's the only way that God will bless you to get more and more stuff. Appreciate the little stuff that you have. Take care of your little putt putt if that's what you got. Wash your little putt putt. Go in and get your little oil change and stuff like that. Okay, take care of it. Because if you don't take care of your little putt putt, you ain't gonna take care of the Bentley when that come either. You're gonna still screw up because you're developing bad habits. You're teaching yourself not to care for the shit that you already got. Okay. The next thing I had on my list was start to give yourself deadlines. Deadlines work. A lot of times it's hard to see your vision and see where you're going if you don't I mean, well, it seems more, it seems exhausting. It seems like you'll never see the finish line if you don't set a deadline. So it's easier if I say, okay, in 30 days, I need to have boom, 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 boom done. Now I see, but a lot of times we tend to wing our lifestyle. We don't have no deadlines. We don't have no to-do list. If you look up here in my office, you will see a to-do list right there. And I have two to-do lists. Oops. Let me get this out the way. I have a to-do list for Tenacity Clean, and I have a to-do list for Tenacity Academy, because I don't need to be in here winging my day. I make too much money just to be like, duh, what do I do today? No, I need to know when I come in here. I need to know. I need to be able to look at the calendar, see who I have to call. I got coaching calls, consultation calls, a lot of stuff going on, okay? So I need to know what's going on. Stop winging it. If you don't know what you're doing tomorrow, you need to stop that right now. You need to start writing out a to-do list, and it doesn't have to be 10 things. Make sure it's a realistic to-do list, okay? So write down about 5 things, that you're going to do. Write down the deadline. I'm going to have this done by the end of the week, okay? This practicing this will help you get to the next level. I promise you it works. It works wonders for me, okay? Last but not least, I'm going to say, well, actually, I got 2 more things. This is a good one. I always preach about it, but cutting off toxic people. It should be a no-brainer, but a lot of times we still tend to hang around people that are not adding to our vision, So if you're trying to get to that next level, baby, you got to stop. You got to cut all of the foolishness out. I don't care who get mad at you. You got to kind of start distancing yourself and focusing on the people that are adding to your vision, not the people that are hating on you. Okay. So remove toxic people out of your world. Okay. Not only that, but my last but not least would be working out and meditation. A good meditation. Meditation, for one, is the way we reset in the morning. And if you're not used to meditation, you can do it just dedicate 5 minutes to sit down and reset your mind. Okay? Because a lot of times we're moving around in the world, and we have like 150 things going on in our world. You need to set your body down and reset. Okay? You need to make sure that you're giving your body fluids, plenty of water. Okay, I might sound like I'm a doctor or something like that, but no, this works. Trust me, it works. I know you might say, water, what you talking about, water? No. In order to operate like a successful business owner, like you can't be out here, what's the word, hydrated, and feeling all sluggish and stuff like that. You want to be energetic. Okay, so feed yourself the right things. Eat your fruits, drink your waters, and meditate, exercise. Okay, those are my pointers that I give you whenever life is hitting you. I will say this: crying. There's nothing wrong with crying and getting it out, but worrying and stressing yourself out is not going to fix the problem. It's not going to fix it. What am I going to do? All that, sis, brother, man, it's not going to help. You're just going to worry yourself to death. Okay, stop it. Everything is figure outable. You can figure it out. It's not the end of the world. God woke you up today for a reason, okay? And as long as he woke you up and you got breath in you and you can walk and you can talk, you can think, you can figure it out, what you need to do. There's plenty of videos free on YouTube that will help you out. We didn't have this stuff back in my day. We didn't have all this free information out here back in my day. We had to figure stuff out, okay? So I'm not going to talk your head off. I just thought that I wanted to enlighten some people that are going through problems and life is just hitting you. Just remember, look at this video again if you need to. Until next video, I'm out.